Look, I know I've made a video on how to do Instagram giveaways to gain 1000 followers a day, but now I'm making a video on why you shouldn't, and this will be a little bit different. Cue the intro, Oliver. In this video, you'll learn the answer to at least 3 questions, and we'll go over them one by one. First, what are Instagram giveaways? Second, why do people use Instagram giveaways to gain Instagram followers? And third, what is the downside to using Instagram giveaways? And as always, let's start this video with the shoutout rules. If you want to be shouted out on one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below something that you've loved about this video, or something that you've learned from this video, or something that you've hated about it, for a chance to be featured in one of the next videos. And if you want to know if you are the shoutout winner on this video, make sure you stick until the end. Hey, the light here is not so bad, and I can't get a haircut because it's the holidays. So what are Instagram giveaways? Instagram giveaways are posts with a call to action that may result in you winning a free product or service. Hair products, iPhone, skincare, hair care, you name it, they'll give it to you. If your like or follow is worth it, you will get it. But if you are a business owner, the first thing you need to know is your numbers. How much are you making per customer? Can you upsell him? Can you downsell him? Can he be a repeated customer? With what odds? What is the customer lifetime value, or how much will you make per customer over the lifespan of him being a customer? CLV. If you know you can make $100 per customer, you know that you can spend up to that to actually acquire him, to literally buy him. This is called customer acquisition. It's kind of the same with followers and likes on Instagram, and I'll tell you why in a bit. Please bear with me. But that brings us to the second topic. Why would people use Instagram giveaways to gain followers? Remember the customer acquisition cost? Well, businesses that are heavily reliant on Instagram traffic to their business actually know how much they can spend to acquire a follower and how much they can actually make from one. Yes, if you're following businesses, chances are they have a whole marketing team trying to figure those numbers out. And let me give you a secret, because I actually have a small agency. A lot of businesses, it obviously depends on the niche, are targeting around 20 cents per follower. This is organic followers, not fake followers. Gain from organic promotions, shoutouts, from pages in their niche, giveaways like the topic of this video, and so on. And if they're acquiring followers at 20 cents, a lot of them know that they can make over $1 per follower long term. So what they actually do is the following, and I will illustrate it in a little bit by showing multiple examples. So they have a product that they are selling, for example, for $100, and they are selling it on their store, and they have a link in bio for it. Let's say it costs them around $15 to make that, and around $5 to ship that product. So in total it costs them $20 to send it as a giveaway to someone. But if you're participating in that giveaway, you're like, oh, it's $100 product on their store, that's $300 for me. But they're actually spending, and if you're a business owner, you're only spending 1/5 of the price in this example for $20. So with the right perceptions that your followers are getting, you can gain up to 120 followers from these $20 worth of goods, product, service that you just gave away. If you manage to get 120 followers, because you can get drop rate of 20%, meaning 20 followers might unfollow, you can end up with 100 followers with $20 spent. That's 20 cents per follower. Follower acquisition cost. Okay, let's look at some examples. If you actually type in on Instagram giveaways, we actually go on the hashtag and we can see some images at the top. Actually, the first and the second one was from the same Instagram profile, and if you actually check the caption right there, he's calling all Disney fans for 12 days of giveaways by Instagram day. You have all these hashtags, relevant hashtags. They actually aren't using that many hashtags, and they're all, integrated with the caption text. So that's really good for SEO purposes, and as you can see, it works because they're ranking. They have 843 comments. Why do they have so many comments? It's just an image of a store. Well, if you see there, first follow this guy, then like this post, and tag 2 friends. So then the friends that will see it will actually want to participate as well. More comments, more engagement, you get the idea, right? Then you have another store that's actually giving away an iPhone. It has thousands of others, so over 1,000 likes, a huge amount of comments, and as you can see in some other language, like, follow, and then do some other things. And you have other examples, other shops, 2 winners, 1 iPhone, and makeup and perfume, same thing, and they have 8,800 comments from giveaways. And actually show them how you can do it. You can see the video. I actually said that it's in the cards above. Make sure you check it out on how to properly do it and how I gained followers, over 1,000 followers in a single day or 48 hours, so I forgot. But the purpose of this video was actually to warn you not to participate in Instagram giveaways, and this is mainly when you're doing the Instagram giveaways. What is the downside from using Instagram giveaways? So I don't know if you have a kid or a dog. I actually have a dog, and part of the training is to give him treats to do a trick, right? And it's good, but if you educate your dog to only respect you because you have a treat in your hand, when you say the action that he wants to perform, he'll look at your hand, you don't have anything, chances are he won't do it. It's the same with Instagram giveaways and with the spoiled kid. If you teach your Instagram followers to only have a call to action, like your post and so on, because of a giveaway is happening, you will not have an organic audience. The question really is, can you buy a following? Can you buy an audience? Can you buy a community? Look at Apex Legends. They tried to buy Ninja and some other streamers, I don't know if you're in the gaming niche, to play Apex Legends. How far did that get them? Not very far. I mean, it's not what it was for the few months where they paid streamers to play it. And they actually worked a competition for Fortnite for a while. But you just can't buy a community. Okay, so who is the shoutout winner? The shoutout winner is actually commented on the Instagram is down video, and he's called GYSI. And he says, nice video, pretty helpful, keep it up, Niki. I really love it when you guys and girls support this channel, because I'm a new creator, I'm a small creator, and I put out over 5 videos a week, and that requires a lot of effort. So when I see a nice comment, a like, a share, someone clicking the subscribe button, which I check for new subscribers every few minutes, it really warms my heart. And I say thanks GYSI, and also for tuning in on the premiere. I think I should do more on those. So yeah, by the way, that's a thing. I actually upload every single video for the week I have on Monday, then I premiere it so you can set the date. So if you already subscribed, you can actually see what videos I release by the end of this week, and you should see this video on Monday. See you next one, because a video a day keeps the doctor away. Bye.